everyone, my name is Professor Afreen Kubra. I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, HKBK College of Engineering. I am also a VTU MTech gold medalist. I have always been fascinated by the idea of creating systems that can learn and make intelligent systems. Artificial intelligence and machine learning stand at an intersection of theory and real-world problem solving, which makes it more exciting. The potential to impact industry, healthcare, and education drove me to specialize in this field, and here I am to shape the future professionals of AI/ML. I try to connect the abstract concepts to everyday examples. For instance, if I have to talk about the neural network, I will compare it with how the human brain processes information. We break the algorithms step by step, we encourage discussion, quizzes, we have hackathons and projects to make the learning more active rather than passive. Talking about projects, our students have done various projects under the guidance of our faculty members. They have also published their papers in international conferences and journals. Our students also have got an Indian patent grant under our guidance. Hi everyone, my name is Professor Afreen Kubra. I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, HKBK College of Engineering. I am also a VTU MTech gold medalist.